Understanding in a rush, a guide to English idioms. Hello, English language enthusiasts. Today, we're diving into the world of idiomatic expressions, focusing on in a rush. Understanding idioms like this can really enhance your fluency and comprehension of English. So, let's get started and explore what it means to be in a rush. In a rush is an idiomatic phrase used to describe a state of hurry or urgency. When someone says they are in a rush, it means they are pressed for time and are likely trying to do something quickly. This phrase is commonly used in everyday conversations and can be applied to various scenarios. Example 1. A. Can you help me with this task? B. Sorry, I can't right now. I'm in a rush to get to a meeting. In this example, person B uses in a rush to explain that they are hurried and cannot spare the time to help. Example 2. A. Why are you eating so fast? B. I'm in a rush to catch the train. Here, in a rush indicates that person B is eating quickly because they have a limited amount of time before their train departs. In different contexts, workplace, I'm in a rush to finish this report before the deadline. Social settings, we can't chat for long. I'm in a rush to meet someone. Variations of the phrase, rushed, I feel so rushed today. Rushing, he's always rushing in the mornings. Understanding these variations helps in recognizing the phrase in different forms and contexts. 1. Appropriate context. Use in a rush in casual and semi-formal situations. It's not typically used in very formal contexts. 2. Body language. When expressing this phrase, your body language can help convey the sense of hurry. E.g., looking at your watch, speaking quickly. 3. Avoid overuse. While it's a useful phrase, relying on it too much can make your language sound repetitive. Now you know all about the phrase, in a rush. This idiom is a great tool to express urgency or haste in English. Remember, mastering idioms can significantly enrich your language skills and help you sound more like a native speaker. Happy learning, and see you in our next video.